In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and sell Instagram highlight covers on Etsy. We'll start in your browser, search for Canva, then click the official result to open the site. Sign into your account so you can access all your designs and saved brand assets. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and select the plus icon to create something new. Choose the custom size option and enter 1080 by 1920 pixels. That's the Instagram story dimension, which ensures your highlight covers will display crisp and correctly sized. On the blank canvas, keep your design simple and centered. Instagram crops highlight covers into a circle, so place icons, text, or illustrations in the middle and leave generous margins. Use a limited color palette for a cohesive set, and consider high contrast elements so the icons remain readable on mobile screens. You can duplicate the page to build a full collection with consistent backgrounds and varied icons. When you're happy, download your designs. PNG is a great choice for sharp, vibrant covers. If you made multiple covers, download all pages together and name the files clearly. Many sellers package sets as a single zip so buyers can grab everything at once. Now, open Etsy in another browser window or tab and head to the correct site address. Sign into your account. Click your profile photo, go to Account Settings, then navigate to your Listings area and select the option to add a new listing. Pick social media templates as your category and continue. Next, choose whether your product is a physical item or a digital file. For highlight covers, digital usually makes the most sense. Accurately specify who made it, what it is, when it was made, and how it was created. Clear details help with trust and search visibility. Add a descriptive title that includes keywords your audience might use. Upload eye-catching product photos and a short video preview if you have one. Mock-ups showing the covers on a phone can boost conversions. Upload the digital file if applicable. In the description, explain what's included, the size, how many covers the buyer receives, and any usage notes. Set a fair price and inventory quantity. Under Attributes, choose details like primary color, occasion, and holiday to improve discoverability. Add relevant tags such as Instagram highlight covers, editable IG icons, or aesthetic story covers, and specify the materials, noting it's a digital download. For shipping, digital items typically don't require physical shipping. Set your return and exchange preferences, and choose whether to renew the listing automatically or manually. When everything looks good in the preview, click Publish. Your highlight covers are now live and ready to sell.